we'll check today only basic things. What is meant by Excel, what is meant by sheets, what is meant by row, sales, and all others. And,
Okay.
and then let's see how it goes. So this is the Excel. So sometime, so if you see this is whole Excel, right? This whole Excel in the technical term, so we can call this as a workbook.
Yes. Excel
Okay,
workbook. Yeah.
correct. So sometime the people may call spreadsheet, worksheet, maybe sheet, or lot other things the same
Mm.
this workbook. But the technically, if we are talking about the this object, Excel object, so this is nothing but the workbook. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So if anyone like trying to say spreadsheet, so you should reconfirm like whether you are talking about sheet or the workbook. So that is main because sometimes we do also confuse if someone is saying check that workbook and we
Mm-hmm.
are we no clue what is meant by the workbook. In that case, we should know he is talking about the Excel, a particular whole Excel workbook, not
Right.
only. Yeah.
Right.
So this is the one. And second, in the Excel workbook, there are a lot of things. So if I go a little bit down in Excel workbook, or maybe at the start, so this trip, maybe I can take a snap. Okay, so this is the snip. This trip. So this trip, you can call this as quick access toolbar.
Quick access toolbar. Okay.
Yeah. So this is nothing but the quick access toolbar.
Toolbar. Yeah.
Because we can quickly close, quickly minimize, maximize, and quickly whatever we want to do we can do. So currently so if I want to customize it, so we can customize this quick access toolbar. Customize means so if I want to add any frequently used options or command, so I can add here and I can quickly use it. So that customization can be done. So how that can be done, I can show you. Okay. So here when I go to this quick access toolbar, so you can see this arrow on your desktop, Excel quick customize quick access toolbar, this small arrow.
Yeah. One second.
I
Yeah.
will show you one more time how it works in detail. So here, as you see, the arrow is given, so I can quickly. So the most frequently used one are here. So if I want to add from here itself, so I can go ahead and quickly add, and
Yeah.
then if anything I want to add which is not available in this list, but I want to add from the more commands. So when I going into the more commands, so you can see right the general formulas, data. So these were coming after canceling your this screen. General
Mm-hmm.
formulas, data, these all settings were coming. So here you can see all settings are here, and the list is coming here. But in your case, only the ribbon and quick access toolbar was showing here. And when you canceled it, then we found these options: general, then view, and all others.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So here, if you see, these are the popular commands. Okay. So if you want to go, if you don't know the commands, or maybe you are not able to find here also. Like if you want to add text to column option, text to column command. But if you see here, I searched all the list, but I did not find. So in
Mm-hmm.
that case, what I have to do, I should know that text to column is available in which tab. Like if I go to the data tab, so I can see the text to column. So you
Okay.
can search tab wise also. Like I know that the text to column or command is available in data tab, so I can quickly go to the data tab like if you see the nothing in that text to column is not available in popular command, then I can switch over to the all here. If you see the tabs name also, like data
Okay.
tab,
Yeah.
and I can go ahead and check here where is it, like text to column is available, and this is alphabetically listed, so T is always at the last, so I can go here, so you can see the text to column and I can add here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
I click OK, then I can see. So that is only whatever you are looking in the popular command. That doesn't mean you can add only this. So if you want to go tab wise, then also you can go ahead and select that tab, and you can go for that command whichever you looking for.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And so this is the use of the quick access toolbar, and you can whenever you want you can remove it. Okay. Then ribbon is nothing but the next down strip. So this strip is the ribbon. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So ribbon is nothing but the collection of tabs or menus.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
ribbon is the collection of. Okay. The
Mm.
same way you can customize this as well. So if I want to add my personal tab, right, how we were created for you, and you canceled it. The same way, if I want to add my own tab, so I can create that as well. Like after clicking here in the customize, if I go ahead and right click on any menu, then I can see the customize the ribbon. So I can click on the customize the ribbon, and as you see here, I can add. So in your case, only plus and minus button were coming, right, and one more three dots were coming.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
here it is saying clearly new tab, new group, and rename and everything.
Oh.
So yeah, I can click on the new tab I have created here, and if I right click I can rename from here. Otherwise I have here option also, like I can go
Mm.
ahead and create my own tab and click OK. And if I
Okay.
want to add my favorite command here in this group, I can rename this group to, so my group. Okay. And if
Mm.
I want to add my favorite commands which I do use frequently, email, or maybe freeze paints, and
Mm.
then font, I'm just check insert picture. So these
Mm.
three, and I click OK. Then you
Then a
can see,
new this is formed. Yeah.
yeah, my tab is created, and my group, the favorite the commands I can
Yeah.
use from here. So this is
Mm.
how you can create your own tab, and if you want to remove, again you can go to the customize the ribbon, select that, and in your case that minus will work.
Okay.
In here I have to remove and click OK.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So that's how the ribbons works. So you can add as many as menus in the customize, and you can only remove the customize tab. You cannot remove the tab which are came when you MS Office got installed. So the predefined tabs would not go away. Only the customized tabs would go away. For example, if I say if I want to remove this home tab, so you see these are disabled. I cannot remove this.
Mm-hmm.
Only when you see a new tab, whenever you see the custom at the end of that menu bar, so
Mm.
only those tabs you can remove. Only custom tabs.
Right.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
this is the one.
Yeah.
Okay, sometime what does the interviewer, when you go to the interview? So usually they keep uh, these all hidden, or maybe they uncheck everything.
Okay.
and you do not see like if you going for first time and if you don't know how to bring those menus, then you
Yeah.
might get confused and you cannot resolve anything, right? So in
Right.
that case you should know if anything such kind of thing happening, you don't see
Mm.
any menus,
Mm.
then you should know that the how to get back those menus using customized ribbon, and just check all the tabs whichever you required.
Right. Okay. One second. I'll just quickly do that and see if
Yeah,
that actually works.
yeah, yeah, definitely. So that is the reason laptop simultaneously you can check.
Yeah. This is different. And this one on the ribbon. How did we?
Yeah, click on that three dots in the quick access toolbar and go to the more commands.
Oh,
And
okay.
you have to
It's
switch to the ribbon.
directly not. Yeah, it's directly not there, right? I have to go
Yeah,
to
yeah,
commands
correct.
and then ribbon.
Yes, you're
Yeah,
right.
right. Okay. I'll just do this real quick so that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so everything is gone now. Then I have to go back to those three dots.
Hmm.
Go to ribbon and view. Save. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Okay,
done.
fine. So the fourth one is the commands. Commands are nothing but the whatever option you see in underneath of these tabs. So these all are the commands. So sometimes people call these options or maybe this feature or maybe some other things, but
Mm.
these are technically commands.
Okay.
So underneath of home, these all are commands.
Okay.
Underneath of insert, these all are commands.
Commands.
Likewise,
Okay.
correct.
Mm-hmm.
After that, so we will go through all command one by one when we start actually home tab, insert tab, and all of the respective tab. We go ahead and check what all those commands does. Okay.
Yeah.
Then fifth one, this is the very important this concept. This is called as a name box.
Okay.
Okay, name box. So name box is used for to naming anything, maybe any sale or any range if you want to name.
Mm-hmm.
So for that it is used, and this is very used for advanced level. I would tell you one example here. Like if I have a like mango sales price or maybe price, um, and I just add some random numbers here.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I want to rename this particular range as a mango price, then I can name it this range as a mango price. So I can select that range and I go to the this name box and I can use mango price. Okay. So
Okay.
I renamed it, and if you see that name is got listed here
Mm-hmm.
after, and I can quickly go to that particular set anytime. If I click here, then it got select automatically.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. And
Got it.
that name you can use further in the formulas as well. Like if I want to sum of the mango sales, then mango price, I just use that name into the sum formula and I can get the sum.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, so we will discuss this in the in detail when we talk about the formula tab. But I'm just giving you heads up how the name box works.
Okay. Got it. And you'll be having some test or practice
Yeah, 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 yeah.
in that.
So
This is
there are,
there, right?
there are bunch of so you might see. I will show you. So if you see here for one of the classes going on, so you see how many assessments I have given to them.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, so you don't have any like you might get over and over the
Overburdened.
assessment.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Okay. 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 Cool.
there is
So
no
that
issue.
will
So
have this formula thing, right?
yeah, yeah, everything. So
Okay.
whatever we are discussing,
Mm-hmm.
so everything I would put into the assessment, and you have to resolve it. So
Right.
there can be stages of the assessment, maybe beginners, intermediate, and complex. So
Mm-hmm.
I would start with beginner, and if you do well, then I can go to the next level.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then fifth to sixth one is formula bar. Formula bar, you know, right? So to use to add a formula here, or
Yes.
maybe if you want to add or modify, or if you want to do anything regarding formula, then you can use formula bar. For
Yeah.
example, this formula is here. If I want to add or modify, like mango sales price into if I want to add 100, then I can get the amount. So I can modify using um, the formula using formula bar, or you can, if you want to modify in the cell itself. So you have to hit F2. When you hit
F1.
F2,
Mm.
then you might add or modify the formula in cell itself. And if you
Mm-hmm.
don't want to hit F2 and edit in cell itself that formula, so you have to easy way to go to the formula bar, and you can simply add or modify.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's one. And the seventh one are sales. So sales are nothing but these are rectangle, right? Where actually my cursor is currently like situated. So
Mm-hmm.
these all are the sales. So every single the rectangle, these are
Yeah.
the sale.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this we are using. You don't see the importance of sales in the Excel, but when we are doing any coding in VBA, in that case, the sales is very important, and that very useful in VBA coding. But here I don't have any use because simply see I'm in which cell, like J9.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in J9, so you can see here in the name box.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Okay.
so that is the reason you don't see the uses of cells, but that is used for the coding. Okay.
Yeah.
Then, if I go ahead and do the collection, the range is the another concept. Range is nothing but the collection of cells. If I select more than one cell at one go, so this
Mm-hmm.
can be my range.
Right.
Okay. And in range, you can see there are cells. One cell is showing white, and other cells are grayed out.
Yeah.
Okay. So this white cell is called as an active cell.
Okay.
Okay. So 9 is active cell. So why active cell? I will show you one example. For example, if I select this, and if I want to add anything, so after selection directly type. So I have selected and directly typing Rajkumar.
Yeah.
Okay, it is only getting added into the active cell.
Okay.
Okay, and if I hit Control Enter, so it
Mm.
would automatically fill entire selected area.
Entire selection. Okay.
Yeah, only not enter, but control plus enter. So in
Control
that
plus
case,
enter.
correct. So that automatically gets added to all others.
Okay.
So remember, every range has one active cell, and all others are inactive, or maybe you can say grayed out.
Okay. Got it.
Then there is seats.
And if
Worksheet.
this cells
Mhm.
that we have filled, if you want to just delete that much part, then
Yeah.
again we just have to select only that much of part, or
Uh, okay. So this, yeah, yeah. If you want to delete whatever I have filled here in this range, so I can directly delete. No issues.
oh, okay, so we have to select that much only and then select. You can't
Yeah.
do control A and delete, because then it will be the entire worksheet will be
Yeah,
deleted.
yeah, 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 you're right.
Okay.
So we are going to talk about the selection part as well in maybe next
Later, yeah.
session.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
next session only because all the shortcuts and all others we have to check before jumping into the home tab.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we'll see that as well. And after that, the 10th one is seats or seats or tabs. So
Hmm.
these are the seats. So you can see seat one, seat two, seat three. So these are nothing but the seat or work seats or tabs.
Okay.
Okay, so if you right click or maybe if you click on plus button or you can right click and click on insert, so you can see this called as a worksheet as well. When I'm selecting
Mm.
worksheet and clicking OK, so it is getting added seat only.
Okay.
So that is the reason this is called as seats or worksheets or tabs.
Tabs.
Why tabs? Because if you right click here, so you can see the tab color.
Oh,
So
okay.
when I click on any color, so it is getting added a color to that tab means that's it.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So this is the concept of seats, worksheets, and tabs. And lastly, there is a status bar. Status bar. So status bar is this. If you see this last part, maybe I can show you with the sneak. So this is the status bar.
Right.
Okay.
Mm.
So this is actually status bar. What actually this does? This does show you the status. For example, I am selecting this particular cell, so I can see the status. What is the average? What is the count? Numerical count, minimum, maximum, and sum.
Yeah. Okay.
So that is the reason this is called as a status bar.
Status
And
bar.
in further, I'm coding in VBA, so in
Mm-hmm.
that case, I can populate the status here, what actually code is doing in the back end, so user can easily understand. So because the code is generating the status here.
Okay.
So that is advanced level. So I will show you that as well when we talk about developer tab and a little bit. I'm not going to talk about whole bunch of developer tab how it works. So this is a VBA related stuff,
Mm-hmm.
so it is not relevant to the Excel. So I will show you a couple of example but not in detail.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want to the status bar, if you want to customize, if you don't want numerical count or min max, so you can right click here and you can just uncheck count, numerical count, minimum, maximum. If you don't want, so you can uncheck and you can see only average and sum is showing now.
Okay. Let me see if I can do that.
Okay.
So the changes that you make on
Hmm.
this
Hmm.
status bar. So can you see that over there or no? Okay, you need some data only, then you will be able to
Yeah,
see.
yeah. You select the data, then you can
Then
see
you
the.
can see. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, got it. Okay, yeah.
Okay. So I think that's all about the first session, and I think this is the basic concept of what actually Excel has, and the whatever we so we are looking here or seeing. So whether that is so we should know that what actually the sale, what is the range, what is this, what is that, and what is these all things. So that is the reason I thought I should go through the basic.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's a good revision. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And these are the column headers A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the
Mm.
column headers, and these are the row numbers.
Row numbers. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. And in next session, we can see, uh, as I said, there's some shortcuts, some selections, some adding, removing, basic shortcuts which we do on daily our job, or maybe daily whenever you use Excel workbook. So that would help to improve your efficiency because. If you try to use every time mouse for any small things, so that may be time taking, right? So that is the reason,
Yeah.
try to keep shortcuts, try to use shortcuts more, so that's how you can use to it, and once you use to it with the shortcuts, then you don't need mouse anymore.
Right. Okay.
Cool. You have any questions today?
Not really. I think
Okay.
this was pretty. Yeah, yeah, I understood.
Okay, okay. Yeah, this was only general things, so no issues about it. So I'm sharing